Authentic local businesses are slowly dying in Benidorm's old town. Let's have a walk and let's see how this place has changed in the last decade. How many authentic businesses are left in Benidorm's old town? And how many franchises, 24-hour supermarkets, Chinese bazars, and others that you can find everywhere with exact same products are situated here in the heart of Benidorm. We're located on the shopping alley here. This is the traditional city center, and on this side, the old town is starting. This place had so many authentic businesses, gourmet chocolate shops, extra virgin olive oil, different types of products such as wines that are typical of this region, chocolates from chocolate factories in Villajoyosa. Different olives and much more were available here for you guys, and people loved this specific part. They were able to get some nice souvenirs for themselves, some presents, try out typical Spanish food, and much more. However, nowadays this place has changed quite a lot. Plenty of mini markets, supermarkets, 24-hour markets, big franchises such as KFC. There's plenty of Burger King here right now. There's plenty of other types of shops, restaurants, cafeterias that are big franchises that are getting all the attention here in the old town. Obviously, plenty of typical Spanish bars are located here nearby, which is also a good news. Not everything is bad. However, different national brands are getting all the attention. As you can see, plenty of bars are here, and that's what is working right now. Many businesses that are getting opened up, not always are really lucky. A lot of them closed down just 1 year into the opening because it's very difficult to survive here nowadays. For example, there was a very nice business which we liked quite a lot, which was called Blue. It's this one here. This was like a gourmet shop. They have chocolates from Marcos Tonda. They've had, see, I'm going to show it to you in a second. It was this place right here. They've closed down. They've had chocolates from Villajoyosa. They've had extra virgin olive oil. They've had different types of authentic products from the area, but they've closed down. And why? Because these are slightly more expensive products, and I guess that nowadays people are not just spending that much money anymore, and these businesses simply cannot thrive any longer. These places have changed towards kebab places, optics, supermarket, another supermarket, and another supermarket. That's the reality of this area right now. That's the reality of the old town of Benidorm. Only the strongest ones survive. Some of the corner buildings were changed completely. Look at this. And now it's football and clothes shop. This place on the corner closed down as well. Before it was a shop too. Another supermarket, as you can see, cheap shoes, jewelry. It's not even jewelry. It's like accessories from stainless steel. Cheap shops are still a thing here in the area. People love bargains, which is why these shops continue to work. There's some nice hair, like wig places, also available here, closed right now for holidays, I suppose. And then we have these types of shops, which we like quite a lot. These are some interesting souvenirs and things to get. Look at that. They have a lot of loveliest Christmas decorations. Obviously, not all of it is Benidorm oriented, but it's still very nice. Look at that. These types of shops are the ones that we like. And then supermarket, 24 hours. See, that's what we've told you. This is what is going on in the area. Another one. And that's That's the thing, there are so many here. All these were old businesses. Now, burger place, cheap bags and accessories. Another cheap supermarket. And some of the oldest businesses, that's this one. This one of the best souvenir places here that you can get. The castle. Handmade magnets. Look at this. This is one of the best places to actually get some souvenirs here. More handmade magnets. This is one of the most famous one. And at the same time, look at this. Supermarkets. All of the rest, touristic apartments here. All of the rest of the typical places are basically non-existent here anymore. New sports. This is like a sports shop that opened up here nearby. Authentic souvenirs, been here forever. One of the few that's actually working and available. The leather market. This is a giant shop. It's been here for decades and decades. Also available. One of the few that did not disappear just yet. So if you're a fan of leather, that's one of the places where you can go to purchase something. But the sad part is that the vast majority of these places, the vast majority of typical authentic shops that have been here are not here anymore. Probably because they didn't survive, but at the same time it's strange because people love handmade things. They love something of quality, something special to bring from their holidays, but at the same time people are not willing to spend any kind of money for it. So what happens eventually is that there is a desire, but it's not enough to keep these businesses on float, which is why they're closing down. Lovely Malpas Beach. Quite a bit of people out there. Hey, yellow flag, but it's still quite nice. Some people are heading with boats to look at the Bay of Benidorm. Clouds are still there, by the way, they're still not gone, but at least we have some better weather this day than it previously was. As usual, all the local bars we've tried, by the way. Oh, the Three Kings are here this time. Look at this. Wow, that's incredible. We caught the Three Kings. This is for January. On the 6th of January, we celebrate Three Kings Day. This is the day also when Spanish kids get some gifts. And this year, Three Kings are here. Right at the old town. Look at that. That's incredible. That is very nice. A lot of people are doing pictures here. So as you can see, some of the places here did survive. Mostly food and drink places, but others were forced to close down. And instead of those, supermarkets, bazaars, cheap things and souvenirs places do emerge here in the old town. This is what's happening with many other places, not only here, the old town, but also places such as Poniente Beach, the traditional city center, and even the Levante Beach that we have right there in front of us. All these places have been changing quite a lot throughout all this time, adapting to the needs and the will of people to actually spend some money inside of local businesses, which is why I guess, sadly, even Levant's Beach and here in the Old Town, everywhere we go, everything has changed. Obviously, there are still businesses that are quality, that offer quality products, something unique, authentic, cultural. But each time there's more and more places that are cheap and something just to get it quick for as a memory of the holidays. But for the rest bit, businesses that are authentic, typical, cultural, natural, and with extreme quality, each time there's less and less of those because the price is higher and higher each time. Let us know if during your holidays you are of those who prefer to get something quality, who prefer to try out typical Spanish goodies, maybe grab some olive oil for gifts or typical chocolates or some nuts and walnuts caramelized ones, something that is prepared and made here in the area, some nice wine or something special and handmade, and you're lacking these types of authentic services, or if on contrary there are still plenty of places where you can purchase these, and if not, you can collect memories, which is also not less important part. Thank you for accompanying us today, and we'll see you in a brand new video here on the channel Benidorm by Anna. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.